To her, visiting family means you provide lodging, food, and silence, while she pays only for what she absolutely can't avoid. And somehow, that's generosity. I live in London with my fiance in a one-bedroom apartment. Before he moved in, my cousin would ask to stay when visiting the city. I'd cave, move out for a few days, and let them have the place. It wasn't ideal, but it felt manageable. The last time, it was her and her 15-year-old son. I ordered takeout the night they arrived. No big thank you, just quiet eating. The next day, half the leftovers were gone. I ate what was left and got evil looks when she hissed, "I was planning to have that for lunch." On their final night, we went out for dinner. When the bill came, I pushed it toward her, thinking she might cover it as a gesture. Instead, out came the iPhone calculator. She added up exactly what she and her son consumed and paid only that. I got the rest, plus the entire service charge. Before they left, I noticed something odd. All the groceries I'd bought, chips, bananas, milk, cookies, muffins, cereal, were gone. Not finished. Taken. Half-eaten bags stuffed into their luggage. After my fiance moved in, space became non-negotiable. So when she messaged asking to stay again, I said no, we simply don't have room. She didn't accept that. She proposed sleeping on the sofa and moving all my furniture to fit an airbed for her son in the living room. My fiance replied with a list of nearby hotels. Later that summer, my sister's Airbnb fell through last minute. I offered her the sofa for the weekend. She was lovely, bought me breakfast, left flowers, and a handwritten thank you card. A few days later, my cousin messaged, "Since you let your sister stay, I assume I can too." My fiance replied with the same list of hotels. She asked if she could stay alone, just her, no kid. Guess what he sent back? You're right, the same list. Hospitality isn't a revolving door, it's a choice. And once you've taken the hinges, don't be surprised when it stays closed. I wish I was as firm as him sometimes. But I'm learning. Some people don't want to visit your home, they want to use it like a storage unit, with you still inside. Beneath the request for a couch lies an assumption. Your space is communal, but your boundaries are optional. The grocery theft, the split bill, the furniture rearrangement, all signal the same belief. Your home exists to serve their convenience. And when you show kindness to someone else, that's not proof of generosity, it's proof you owe them too. The real cost isn't the food or the sofa, it's the expectation that your autonomy should yield to their itinerary. A voice in the thread cut through the noise. She doesn't see your home as yours, she sees it as family property, with her as the primary shareholder. Someone else deadpanned, "Your fiance isn't rude, he's just fluent in boundary language." Meanwhile, she's still stuck on entitlement dialect. If roles were reversed, if she owned a one-bedroom flat and you asked to stay, bring your kid, eat her food, split the bill down to the penny, and take her groceries home, would she call that a family visit? Or would she call it trespassing with snacks?